Hey guys, Han, back on another video. So today I'm going to be trying to make Vapiano's Gambretti E Spinach, something like that basically. I haven't actually been to Vapiano's, but I was like, do you know what, I keep seeing on Twitter they're basically like posting their ingredients and they're doing their own little thing. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make that. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So for ingredients, we've got single cream, you can use double as well. We've got basil pesto, Parmesan of course. We've got jumbo prawns. These ones are quite nice and chunky, I like that. Garlic, red chillies, cherry tomato, spaghetti, or you can use linguine, and a little bit of spinach. So I've just got some water boiling at the moment. I'm just gonna make spaghetti.
Everything clear but now 2 4 niggas beats. I don't need it. Pull up my top with a heater. 2-seater. Bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off a think of my bands. Hop off a jet to a chick when I land. 2 4 niggas beats.
Halliboyan. I mean, that's not even olive oil, so it's sunflower, whichever. So while that's cooking, I've just got a chopping board. I'm gonna start chopping up. I think this is 1 clove. That's 1 fat clove. Anyway, I'm gonna do it like in the cooking shows, you know, when they smash the garlic. Smash the garlic. Oh, smash the garlic to release all those flavors and juices, and then this the skin cracks off easier as well.
I don't need it. Pull up my top with a heater. 2-seater. Bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off a think of my bands. Hop off a jet to.
So yeah, I've chopped up my garlic. I've then just washed my chilies and I'm gonna chop them up. I'm just gonna chop up my cherry tomatoes as well. Just gonna cut them into halves. Right, so I've got my pan on. I'm just going to obviously put the heat on. I'm gonna pour in a little bit of olive oil, but it's like a garlic infused one. You can just use normal olive oil as well. Let's turn it around. Oh shit. Obviously I literally just dropped it low. That was a bad idea putting the tomatoes on. The tomatoes aren't meant to go in yet. Oh shit. Shit. And chilies are in as well. Just gonna add a little bit more oil. Then gonna go in with my prawns. The heat is quite high, by the way. So yeah, it's just been cooking for a few minutes, letting the prawns get hot. I'm going to add a tablespoon of the pesto. I'm going to turn the heat down a little. And what I'm going to do is add the cream. I'm gonna, oh! Shit! 1 tablespoon. About 2 tablespoons of cream. I'm I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to the cherry tomatoes because I feel like when you salt tomatoes they just taste far. The creamy mixture. Oh, it's just poured itself. Okay, 1 more tablespoon of cream. 1 handful. 2 handfuls. And then what I'm going to do is, so I've got 80 grams of Parmesan, little pack. I'm going to add about half of it for now. And now I'm going to add the spaghetti. This is what it's looking like at the moment. Lovely, creamy. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese. This is what it's looking like, really yummy. I'm just gonna add a lot more cheese on top. And Vapiano's Gambretti E Spinach. Gambretti E